Hello, so today I am solving the problem from sorting and searching of CSCS problem set. The problem's name is restaurant customer. You are given the arrival and leaving time of n customers in restaurant. What is the maximum number of customers? The first input line has an integer n, the number of customers, okay, and after that there are n lines that describe the customer. Each line has two integers a and b, the arrival and leaving time of customer. You may assume all the arrival and leaving time are distinct. Print one integer, the maximum number of customers. Okay. Here in this problem, let us take the example. Okay. Here it is time. Here it is our customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. So here there are total 3 customers. The first customer arrives at 5 and leave at 8. Second customer arrive at 2 and leave at 4. Third customer arrive at 3 and leave at 9. So first customer arrive at 5 and leave at 8. Second customer arrive at 2 and leave at 4. Third customer arrive at 3 and leave at 9. Okay, so here what we have to find is we have to check that what were the maximum number of customers in the restaurant at a time. Let us say example at 2 a.m. there was one customer in the hotel. Now at 3 a.m. another customer arrives at hotel, so total number of customers in hotel becomes here it is 1. Now here total number of customers will be 2 because the third customer arrived. Now here also it will be 2. Now here the second customer leaves and the first customer which arrives at 5 is here, so again the number is 2. There will be 2 customers in restaurant. Here it will be 2, again 2, 2 and 1. So here out of this the maximum number of customers is 2. So let us code this in Python. Okay, first n, which will be total number of customers. What we are going to do is we are going to record input and output time of each customer in 2 different lists. So for I in range n, okay, for input we will use arrival, which will be a list with arrival times, and leave will be a list with leaving time, and the input will be input dot split. So here x will be arrival time. We will append arrival time of every customer into arrival list, and we will append leave time of every customer in leaving list. So here we have 2 lists with all the arrival and leaving time. Okay, now we will sort them. So arrival dot sort and leave dot sort. Okay, now we are having arrival and leaving time of each and every customer in a sorted manner. Now we will create two variable. One will be max value, which will be ma equal to 0, and second will be current customers in hotel. So current value initialized by 0. Now while we will take two another variable I and j for checking that each customer arrive and each customer leave. Here we will use I for checking that each customer has arrived. So when I will be equal to n, I will be equal to total number of customers, then total number of customers has arrived, and when j will be equal to n, then all the customer has left. Hence it will ensure that we have passed through each and every customer's data. So while I is less than n and j is less than n, now what will do is we will check the arrival time. Okay, if arrival of I, if a customers arrive and is less than leave, okay, then in this situation there will be one customer added to the restaurant and I will be added 1. So what we have done here is, if a customer arrive and another customer is not leaving, then the current customer in the restaurant will be added by 1, will be incremented by 1, and I will be added 1, so we can check next person who is arriving. Now else, if this condition is not true, then there must be a customer who wants to leave. That's why a customer will be subtracted from current list of current customers in the hotel, and j will be incremented by 1. Now here on every loop the current will be max. So if max is less than current max, then max will be equal to current. Okay, now you have to print max. Let us copy this. Okay, ing will be 0 0. Here we got answer 2, which is right, as we have checked here the answer is 2. Thank you for watching the video.